This is a question from quadratic equation where it's given that for the given quadratic equation, that is x square minus 2x plus 3, if we have the roots or the zeros given for this quadratic equation, which is a function of x, as alpha and beta, right? So for this quadratic equation, the roots given to you, roots or zeros, both are equal, both are same, right? So alpha and beta, the value of alpha and beta we need to find, but is confirmed that alpha and beta are the roots of the above quadratic equation. This is given into the question. Now for a standard form of quadratic equation, which is into the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we know that the sum of the roots is minus b by a and product of the root is c by a. So just using the same, we find the sum of the roots or zeros, that is alpha plus beta, will be minus the coefficient of x, that is minus 2 divided by 1, which is equal to 2. Similarly, alpha into beta is calculated as c by a, that is the constant term divided by the coefficient of x square, which is coming as 3. Now to find, we need to find a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2, right? So this is the question which we need to solve, right? So it's mentioned that we need to find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. So let me write it over here, alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2, right? So we know that to evaluate such quadratic equation, what we will do, let's say a constant k is there, right? K times x square plus sum of the roots, that is alpha plus 2 plus beta plus 2, which will be the coefficient of x, right? Plus product of the roots, which will be the constant term, that is alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2, right? So here you can see the constant term is coming by c by a, so right? So that's why it's alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2, that is both will be multiplied. When the roots will be multiplied, this will give you the constant term, that is the last term, and when the roots will be added, this will give you the coefficient of x. So I did the same over here. When you just simplify it, you can see alpha plus beta is coming over here. So alpha plus beta is 2, which we can take from above, and 3 is the value of alpha into beta, the product of alpha beta. Just put up all these values and you can simply evaluate the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2.